Hey everybody, it's Robert here from BEARDEDATVers. Chris is behind on the camera. You won't hear him because I got the audio muted for him. Thanks to Torque MotorSports of Moncton, we are able to drive this nice Can-Am Maverick X3 DS model. So it is the base model. It is the white and gold model, which is personally my favorite color. It's also, well, I'm kind of biased on the white color. I mean, look at my machine, it's white. Power steering works great. It's got an awesome square setup of 10s, 14s on these beautiful black rims that you'll see in a second when we do a walk around with it. The Showa shocks, so they went away from Fox and they went to these nice Showa shocks, which Showa 2.5 podium shocks is what they're called. So let's come around and let's do a little quick walk around. The only thing I personally dislike on this machine is the way these doors open. I don't like the inside handle. We're 2024. It'd be nothing for there to be a little quick handle right there. That's the only little gripe that I don't like about the machine. But that goes for almost any machine that's like that. So then we're going to come right around over here. It still has the same style like the Fox do. Nice beautiful black 14-inch rims. The oil filter dipstick is right inside there. And when we come over in the back here, you'll see the nice beautiful view of the tail end of these machines. They're probably one of the better looking Can-Am models out there. And when you come inside, it's a full cluster. You want to just walk right up over there and get the cluster view of that. That's probably the best cluster that you can get because you got your fuel, you have your temperature, you can set all your settings with it. This has smart lock front diff also. So we'll come over here. Don't ever change the oil on this whenever it's hot because it is piping with that exhaust right there. The oil filter is right here. Ease of access, and the transmission plug is right there to check it. So we'll keep walking around here. And initial thoughts of this machine so far is, well, let's come right around here. Initial thoughts. Adjustability is quite a bit. You can do quite a bit with the adjustability on these shocks. We're gonna play with them a little bit and fine tune them, and then when we do our ride review, we'll let you know how we like each different things. I definitely keep these tires. These are a really great tire to come factory with the machine. Comes with the rear view mirror. Does not come with the roof, but this model does because they know they're gonna sell it with a roof. Who buys a machine without a roof? Only this guy over here. Other than that, there's not much more that I can say about it, other than that it starts off at 27 grand Canadian. It has noisy Can-Am brakes, but that lets you know that you still have brakes. When the noise goes away, you no longer have brakes. That's typically how Can-Ams work. So if you own a Can-Am and you don't have a brake noise, you better check those brake pads. Other than that, this is a really, really nice machine. It's one of like my favorite color looking ones. It just in general is really beautiful. I love the LED headlights. We're gonna start it up and rev it up so that you can hear how it sounds. And to be quite honest, I think this machine is actually quieter than mine with the factory exhaust, where I have the aftermarket GGB exhaust on mine. So let's give it a couple of shots now that I know that the oil has primed itself. Oh, you can hear a little bit of that turbo go off there at the end. That's going to be fun later on in the ride review. So let us know what you think about this nice Maverick X3, and don't forget to check out Torque MotorSports in Moncton. They are on 55 Duplessis Avenue or Crescent. I'm not 100% sure on the little last part there, but they have a nice brand new dealership. It's massive parking lot, so you can actually park in there now. They have machines that you can look at. They actually have in stock stuff, and they'll be the, from what I'm told, they'll be the only ones getting the EV bikes also in the Maritimes. So be sure to check them out. I might be wrong on the Maritime part, but definitely in not Atlantic Canada, in New Brunswick itself is what I'm trying to say. Sorry. But this is going to be one fun run, and hopefully you guys like it. So we'll see you later.